Bear markets break everything. I told you all in December, I said, once the market turns bearish, every trading system or trading style is going to fall apart more often than it does. Bear markets are bad. When markets are bullish like they are today and flip back to being bearish for the day, you got to see it in a moment's notice and then stand on the sideline and walk away from the risk. The idea that a bull market is going to spontaneously erupt out of this kind of like bearish tariff stuff is kind of hard to understand. The markets, like I said, the first thing I said when we started the stream is the market's deciding how low we go. Tariffs are going to bring us off of the all-time highs for a quarter or two. The market was just retracing off the first sell-off. It's still trying to find how low we go because of the uncertainty of the tariffs. It's expected. In a bear market, people are going to do what I call system hopping. They're going to lose money, then move here, then lose money, move here and lose money, and blame the system instead of learning how the market is. Bear markets break everything. There's no trading system or indicator or style today that could have forecasted a sudden pivot off of pretty much session highs just to sell off. When all the stocks are rallying, the stocks are gapping and going, things looking great. Bear markets are random and they're noisy and nobody can predict when markets are going to sell. This is one of the obvious things that I learned on my journey here is that it's easy to predict a bottom. Very easy to pick a pivot. Both of my trades I picked went green before they went red. I picked the pivot great, but it just went against me and I cut. Now going forward, it's easy to pick a bottom. You can find liquidity and long it super easy. Hopefully the market comes in and pushes it further and you get some money out of it. But if it goes against you, you walk away. But the thing is that nobody can predict when markets are going to sell off. If you've ever gotten it right, you guessed lucky. Predicting a sell-off is something nobody can do. Nobody can predict the top. You can't. Predicting bottoms is easy. It's easy to find liquidity. It's easy to find gamma squeezes, all of that. But predicting a top is hard to say, yep, that's it. We're probably going to sell from here. You only just know that you're in a bad spot when it's breaking through and crashing through structure like today when it shouldn't be doing that.